We have succeeded. So this is your first success that you have taken the notice of other persons to notify or to recognize your caste mark. Until now I didn't listen. So that way, if I came to know that some caste in the name of Mang is existed, definitely it will have some, it will be violent, it will have some kind of notice of every society in Telangana. Definitely it will draw the attention of the every person of the society, right? Because immediately after completion of our assembly, it was noticed earlier during my speech of budget, then itself I would have mentioned this guy, name of your caste. Appudu naaku telavadu, ippudu telisindi. So let it be completed assembly session tomorrow. Afterwards immediately I will put a letter to CM Garu stating that one Mang caste is here. They have been suffering for getting even caste certificate also. That caste was included in the constitution at the number of 42 as a scheduled caste. But whereas getting caste certificate is becoming very hard to the members of the Mang. So that's why we have to facilitate the way that they get their caste certificates at mandal level itself. So that way I took all those, whatever you said, that carefully I heard. Whatever you said, that everything will put on paper. And while putting that letter, again I will, if needed, I will make a phone call to you to have further clarifications. So that way I am happy to know that, and to know of your caste firstly. And foremostly, I heard about this Anna Babu Sate. He is the man of two isms. He is the man of communism. Later he converted into Ambedkarism. So he is a communist as well as Ambedkarist. That means both the ideologies are similar. They are very near to each one. Communism as well as Ambedkarism. There is no much difference between both ideologies. Only caste factor is involved in that. Remaining all demands are the same. So later, nowadays, Communist Party also has taken a stand and took a decision to realize that caste is a reality. Earlier we used to fight on class factor. Class factor means Varga Porat. Now we came to know, we have taken a decision. Caste cannot be ignored. Why? Because it is a reality in our Indian society. Caste is a reality. So caste means, communist line, if we take up class war, Varga Porat, automatically Varga was there and we get equality. So this ultimately when we get the society of classless means Varga Rahita Samaj Vyavastha, there will be equality, equilibrium. Everything is equal. Every person is equal. Likewise, regarding wealth, regarding the lands and every asset, properties, they are also more or less will be